Hi, one forum news brings you the best. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. Your comment and likes will be highly appreciated. Yes, don't be surprised we are here again to talk about Senzo Meyiwa, the trial involving the murder of Senzo Meyiwa. Yes, the trial is still on. Don't be surprised. We are here to bring you everything about that trial. The trial has been so long, yes, the longest ever when it comes to criminal trial in South Africa. But he's a very great, or he was a star, so we'll be here to bring you everything about because we want justice for him. And now, what is the latest news? The latest news is that, in the past, it has been established that there was some level of allegedly established, yes, allegedly, that there was some level of communication among or between some of the people that are on trial now with Auntie Kelly Khumalo. We are talking about our own queen, Kelly Khumalo, the queen of music in South Africa, yes. But now, accused number 5, through his lawyer, is now denying the fact that there was some communication or he has ever communicated with Auntie Kelly Khumalo through the numbers involved. Meanwhile, in the past, that's one of the investigators made the allegation or concluded that based on the evidence that was available to him that there was some level of communication. This was done by a communication expert, yes, but today we are hearing that something else took place. Mushululu, that's the lawyer to the accused number 5. We are talking about Mtuli. Yes, is now saying or establishing or suggesting to the court that there wasn't any communication between her client, that is Ntuli, as well as her client and Auntie Kelly Khumalo. Yeah, this whole case is going back and forth, yes. And I hope and pray that someone is taking note of perjury, yeah, because all this is have been done under oath, yes. Whether A or B is saying something that is not true of what is for the court to decide, it's not for us. But let someone critical take note of perjury, because perjury is very important. When you swear an oath and you end up telling a lie or saying something that's not true, you have to bear the consequences. That's what it must be. But this whole thing is making the case very long. Please don't be frustrated. No, don't be frustrated at all. It's just justice that we are seeking for the great guy Senzo Meyiwa. He's dead, he's gone. By now, he have rested, but his soul is still around, hovering around, because justice is not yet served. And all fingers have been pointing out, allegedly, the mastermind of this whole thing, allegedly, is Kelly Khumalo. Yeah, that has been the allegation. A lot of fingering here and there for her here and there. But I pray very well that one day she also have her term in court and be able to free herself or say the part of the story. That is what we are all looking up to. You know that the lawyers are calling on her to be arrested and presented to court, but till now nothing like that happened. But we are just hoping that she will also have a day in court, because it's very important because it's not good for anybody at all just to peddle falsehood about you or say something whether it's true or false. You should come clean and talk to the whole world for us to know that yes, Auntie Kelly Khumalo is free. For the court to say whether she's free or guilty or not guilty, that one is the prison of the court to do. But mind you, as usual, there was some small banter between the lawyers. That is the lawyers for the client that is accused number 5. That is Mushululu and Rita. Yes, those people, they are good friends. When it comes to disagreement and agreement, I think they normally have a lot of disagreement. But at the end, they always reconcile. That is how it has always been. When it comes to lawyers, yes, they always have banter with the judges. But most of them, you just have to be careful so that you don't step on bigger toes for so much time. But she needs to make a point. Yes, she is a very strong woman and she's been battling here and there and doing all manner of things in court. But sadly, we are going to some level again, as someone is allegedly denying that they never communicated with Kelly Khumalo as it was established by the representative of the state. We are talking about the prosecuting investigators. Yes, they made the allegation based on the confession statement that they had that no, these people, one or two of them, that is one, accused number 1 and 2, confessed to the fact that there was some level of communication between them, and they established that allegedly based on the communication channels that they use or the numbers that they use in communicating. But today, what we have to report on is what there is a new twist to the whole thing. That is accused number 5 through his lawyer. We are talking about lawyer Mshulolo. She's saying that her client never communicated with one Kelly Khumalo. We are talking about Auntie Kelly Khumalo. Yes, they allege that she happened to be the mastermind of this whole thing. When it's not so good, because her image and everything is being touched because of one thing or the other as a result of this whole case. So she needs to come clean. And the only place that she can come clean at is the court. She should try and have a day in court so that we can hear a side of the story for the court to adjudicate it. The final arbiter of this case is the court. So we are all in the hands of Judge Rita for him to decide who is guilty and who is not guilty. We can only run our commentary. We must not prejudge anything. No, not at all, not at all, not at all. We need not to prejudge anything. We have patience. Some of us, we have patience, and my audience and my viewers, please exercise patience so that gradually we follow this case step by step, blow by blow, and bring you everything, and for us to get a very conclusive decision on this very case. We are talking about the trial involving the murder of Senzo Meyiwa. This is a great guy, yes. For this incident happened in 2014 till today. We are seeking for justice for him, but we want the wheel of justice, though grinding slowly, let it be a bit fast so that we get justice and a closure to this very great and sad story, so that the family of Senzo Meyiwa can also rest. We are enjoying the processes here. Sometimes my audience, please don't be confused when it comes to court cases. A lot of things have the gymnastics and all these things. They make the thing very suitable. But please, the perjury, yes, because whether true or false, someone may be lying somewhere. So they should take note of the perjury so that someone can be punished and penalized for a perjury. Yes, it's very important because the system has to be clean and sanitized so that the right things will be done when it comes to the court system or judicial system of South Africa. We wish all the best to the lawyers as well as the judge so that the truth will come. It's the truth that we are all waiting for, yes, and we have everything in the hands of Judge Rita. We are all waiting for you patiently for you to adjudicate over this case and give us the verdict so that will bring closure to the death of Senzo Meyiwa. Please, for more, kindly subscribe to this channel. One forum news for the best when it comes to security and crime, when it comes to politics of Africa, international relation, or anything about Africa history. Please kindly subscribe to this channel, and your comments and your likes will be highly appreciated. Thank you so much. Always be in touch. Thank you.